Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my second day of 2017 vlog.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Hello guys, we're eating out as usual. Are you happy with the 2017 dimples? New Year, second day of New Year. Second day of New Year, Dim. Hi Dimple, look at that pose. Look at that pose of her. Oh, look at that. Wait, look at that. Okay, there you go. It's focusing already now.
Hey, get used to it.
Roxy.
Rats. There are other dogs. You're not it. I know you think the whole world revolves around you, but it don't. You too. Stop the begging crap.
Hubs. You're so cute.
He's got energy. He wants to use it. He wants to play with Dimples, and she just don't.
What are you barking, Rox? Huh?
But I heard a dog.
That ice.
Find that location?
Huh?
Find that location?
I found the address, but you know, that's it.
How far?
No. So we're going to the Bronx just to visit the Bronx. And anyway, I don't put any makeup. I don't put any makeup on, guys. I have something on my lips. The one that I have on my lips is the Estee Lauder lip liner. It's old lip liner, and yeah, I still have it. And yeah, so it's a lip liner. I forget the shade, but that's all I put to have some color on my lips, guys. And Tammy's here having coffee. Do you have your phone? Oh, you're having sandwich?
Okay.
Ah, tuna fuss. Okay, we're gonna find the address where we're going to go, because we don't really know where we're going. We just go over there. And I made Tammy a tuna sandwich yesterday. He ate a little bit. We're going, guys. I kinda hungry, so I'm gonna bring this. This is the one, the big biscuit. This is the biscuit that Tammy bring from work. So Tammy said, "Don't bring the camera, just bring the phone."
Oh, please.
Oh, please.
It was still locked.
Huh?
It was still locked.
Oh, do you have a house key?
Yes.
Yeah.
And you're stopped if you don't go. It tells you.
He's stupid. Duty.
Oh, sometimes that's a good idea, because how many times you at a light and guys are sitting there?
Well, you're not those guys.
Well, I kind of like it though.
We're in the traffic, guys, and going to the destination. And what else? Tom is driving, obviously. And oh my god, I am also eating the, biscuit. I end up eating the ginger one. It's really strong, and it's kind of hard now. Even before though, when Tommy got this, it's hard anyway.
Because they're homemade.
They're homemade.
It's supposed to be hard, but they don't.
Biscuit is supposedly hard, so, but it's hard when you don't have water and you choke. And I'm so hungry. I need to eat fast. I always eat fast, guys, if you don't know me.
Traffic jam ahead.
You kinda know that, lady. Oh, we're going upstate. We're going to the house. Well, this one is kinda bad. Are they bad?
No.
They don't get bad.
Well,
Some
they'll go bad eventually, but no, they're not go bad like that.
somebody threw the biscuit from Trader Joe's.
I did.
Why?
Because they're bad.
Because you buy a lot.
Because they're bad. Nobody ever eat them. I buy them for people to eat them, and nobody eat them, and they're bad. You gotta remember something. Even if the biscuit doesn't go bad, the almonds in it will go bad. That's
The almond?
You're crumbing all over the place.
I know. Because you're bitching about it. You're smoking in the car. Look how many dust in it already.
I did not smoke in this car. Get a grip. I have not smoked in this car.
So why there is dust here?
Good question, hon. Not me. I did not smoke in this car, and nobody else smoked in the car. So why you say that?
Why you don't smoke? That's weird. Oh, why there's plug in the car? 2 plugs. That's what I'm gonna do in my car.
What 2 plugs?
American and Philippine plug.
Oh, flags.
Yeah, flags. Flug. Flug in your nose. Flag. So, guys, heading home later. I'm gonna drive this car. Tommy want me to try driving this in the highway. And I like driving this car, but I never drove it in the highway. He did it yesterday going to work in the city. And he said he liked it. Stop for him. This is raining. Stop for him. That's a nice car. Oh, that's white. Freaking what? Cadillac. It's just traffic. Nothing really is moving here.
Yeah, probably.
Traffic. We're very low now, guys. Before we're like up here. Now it's like here. So yeah. There's a lot of birds.
I'm gonna let you drive it. I'm gonna walk outside. You're gonna have a cigarette.
My goodness.
I was like, I'll walk in front of you. You'll have to catch up to me.
wasted. My heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing. Keep your words naked. You got me blushing. And you forever I'll follow. You be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow. In immortality, I can see you and me.
Don't follow her if you know where you're going. So we get out from the place that we went to, guys. Why people from all over the world visit New York? It's like they visit New York. I understand for the reason because of New York. It's freaking New York.
Prepare to exit the highway in 1.9 miles and exit 4B.
Was it 4B? Are you kidding me? There's something wrong with this.
Back to talking about why people come here in New York. For what reason? They love to be here. Honey, slow down. Ay, gee. The traffic is crazy. I understand you go to, you know, you just come here for vacation. You don't have to drive. You take a subway. You do this. You go eat. Go to sleep to the hotel. But can I tell you something? The secret here, construction is crazy everywhere. Never end in Manhattan, Bronx, wherever you go, and also traffic. It's crazy wherever you go. Just like this one, crazy driver, New Yorker. And also there's a lot of crime. Can I just tell you something? I think people who do vacation here in New York, they don't go to the places that there's more crime, like Bronx. Not all Bronx, some certain area of the Bronx, like some places, not the whole Bronx, but you know, when you name Bronx, there's always something. And yeah, so I understand coming
Nothing wrong
here.
with the Bronx.
Huh?
Nothing wrong with the Bronx.
No, it's the people. It's not, I told you, it's not the whole Bronx area. It's like the small places, spotty area in the Bronx. You know, there is area that is not safe.
There's not safe areas everywhere in the world.
Yeah, but the Bronx. We're talking about New York, hon. Talking about New York, the Bronx. So, and yeah, I know somebody live here in the Bronx. This Filipina. I don't know. I forgot. Girly. Girly. Huh?
Why you give that the name?
She comments on she comments sometimes in my YouTube, right, sister? Anyway, we're going home. So Tammy just told me because it's raining.
It's an ugly day.
It's an ugly day, so we're just gonna use this cart going to the house. It's January already and there's no heavy snow. Where is the snow, huh?
It's coming.
I'm waiting
for
the heavy snow. I'm waiting for the dog to play outside.
Nice, 'cause it tells you the direction here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, in there it tells you like where you have to get off.
Yeah.
You're gonna knock it off there because I think it's stupid, but it's telling me. So this way I don't have to look out here.
Oh, guys, I will show you the Bronx.
Exit the highway at exit 4B.
This is the Bronx River Parkway. Parkway.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. This is just for us now. Yeah, I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. That it feels right. Feels right. So right. So right.
Okay, then this is
See it's white there? If it's white, you're not in cruise control. If I do this, see it's green?
okay.
Green is
So
now
you
in
just
cruise
push
control.
this down.
That just resumes whatever I had before. But see, now it stopped for me.
Okay.
But it won't do that if I'm...
Yeah,
Once
because
you... As long as it's doing the braking, it doesn't unset the cruise control. But the minute I touch the brake, now the cruise control's off and it's ready to be set. But it won't stop. I'll do this and it'll just keep rolling until it hits.
it's like he's trying to show it to me, guys, and it's so scary.
Well, it's scary. I'm
No,
showing you.
we're in the traffic, Han, and then you're speeding, and then there's car, and then the car is turning.
Control.
Look at that face, guys. He's so happy with the car. It's doing brake for him. He just can't slip like this. Brake.
I'd like to know the features of the car and how they work. I get yelled at all the time. All the time.
Because
all the freaking time.
you have to yell at people when your husband is drive crazy. It's like trying to prove to me that the car do something. He turned the music that I will shut up.
It never works, guys.
Oh my god, guys, traffic.
In 2.8 miles at exit 12.
Tommy's right there, guys. Anyway, guys, I was driving here and we are not really far from the house. I think it's like 30 minutes away. Yeah, Tommy was not gonna smoke in the car. So we're looking for a rest area and we're here. We found a rest area that he can smoke and he can drive. And I think we have to stop to Walmart. It's right there, guys. I don't know if you can see him. Oh, he's gonna get something to drink, I guess. I always make sure when I'm alone in the car that everything is locked. Why my lips is cracked? The car feels different because when I was driving, it is like, for example, if you are not in the right lane, if you are not in the lane, the steering wheel will move a little bit for you to straighten out. Dito na naman kami sa Walmart, guys. Naghanap kami ng ng dog treats because Tommy got the dog treats in this store, and so that's why we're looking for it. That little tiny bone. Oh, they have kind of cheese, kind of like a human thing. Oh, look at how expensive is this here. They have it in Costco, big, and it's $10 bigger. Big.
Like that. One of the
Oh,
ones.
they don't have the brown one. This is nice color too for the catsy. Let Roxy sleep in it, then Hubs would love it. Tommy is looking for tablecloth.
70-inch round.
Is that good?
Yeah.
There's no other color, honey. Are you sure? Black. Black, honey, black. Oh no, I can't see. Look at that. There you go. See it in the light over there. Hi guys! Hey guys! We just got here and I'm gonna just put everything in the refrigerator. We got stuff from Walmart. The steak that I bring outside, downstairs. This is the steak that we got, the ribeye steak. This one, I don't like it, but Tommy obviously like it. He add more. And he got the poppers, jalapeno poppers, hot. It's very hot. And I got a napkin holder. I like it, steady. That's for here, or you know, I can put this here because we always use this. And I have the refill, a salt and pepper shaker. Tommy got a juice. Different kind, 2 juices, different kind, tropical punch. The other one is the one that I don't like, the berry, well, I probably like this, the berry punch. When I went to Stop and Shop the other day, I got extra margarine because we don't have it here. Well, I have butter, but there's no margarine. So this one here. We have the bread because I forgot to bring the challah bread. So I'm gonna use this bread. This is the regular bread, and this one is frozen. The burritos. This is really good, guys. See if I can fit this over here with finger screws. Obviously not. Okay, okie dokie. Okay, it fit. And also, Tommy and I got a tablecloth. I probably use this one. This one here. I know it doesn't match the color. At least we got this one because at least we have color in our dining area because it's black and white, obviously. So this is the color. If we get tired of it, we have the round one now. Let's see if it's round. We don't get it. It says round. It says round right there. That's really it, guys. I'm just gonna go check Tommy outside because he's outside. Oh, he's in the garage trying to fix the remote. Let's see if he can fix it. This is the one that he bring me the ring, guys. He said, "Here's your gift." Empty. Nothing. It's empty. You can fix it.
Hasn't worked yet, so.
I'm back to my black sweater, which is not. This is Tommy's sweater because I'm freezing. I'm always cold anyway. And I'm going to continue doing the video that I edited this afternoon. I just want to finish it. This video is supposedly be up already, but obviously it's not. And yeah, so I put the thing, the tablecloth, and so I'm just gonna finish this, guys, editing or review, not edit, review the video and then upload thing for leather and to make it more cleaner because the vacuum really helps, so you have to just wipe it. So anyway, okay, I'm gonna end this vlog, huh? Hello, guys, I am uploading the video. I just before I open the camera, guys, I have to tell Tommy I have to end this vlog. He's right there lying down, guys. And honey, we should kill those lights already, hon. Huh? Okay, so the video is uploading. 10 minutes more to go. It's gonna be live. And yes, so it's already 8:36 in the evening and we are watching NCIS. Law and Order is VU. I don't know what is VU means, but yeah, Special Victims Unit. Yeah, so yeah, so it's Law and Order. It's a good show and it's a crime thing. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog and thank you guys all so much for watching. And today is the second day of 2017. Yeah, so I like doing vlog. I kind of like it, but still not gonna promise it, but I will try to upload every day. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye. Good night, guys. Night, hon. He said night. It's okay. Night. Bye, guys. Good night. See you tomorrow.